let's be real, life didn't deal us a fair hand, and I live one-sided, and some days I just don't feel like it, and some days your arm and your leg feel asleep, half your body feels asleep, and your other is carrying a full 100%. And because your body might be one-sided, you should be 100% committed. And if you're watching this and you have had a stroke, and you just need to hear that you don't need perfect conditions to actually get to where you want to be. And most people quit, and you are not that person that wants to quit. You want to get to the point where you are better and you can do the stuff that you want to do with your stronger side. And yeah, but when you live with hemiplegia, there is no shortcuts. There's no shortcuts. There's no magic pill. It's just hard training. So every movement, every rep, every step is a battle, and your recovery is a battle. And you do realize you have a weapon inside of you, and that people will never discover. And that weapon is making excuses. And if you master not making excuses, you will get there, you will recover. And people have been saying this, well, I have, to be fair, that it's too hard, that I can't do it, can't do the stuff that other people can do. And I say, I'll wait till I feel ready. And the matter of fact is that you'll never feel ready to do it. You just got to do it. And it's a weakness talking when you're making excuses. And commitment means that whether you feel like it or not, you still do it. That's discipline. And saying, even if I do fail or look stupid doing it, at least I've shown up. And when I have shown up, I do what I haven't done, which is my recovery and my therapy. So I bet you're guessing, why are you how do you feel, how do you show up 100% of the time? Well, you should stop negotiating with yourself. Even if you think about it, about negotiating, you will argue with yourself in your head and decide when therapy time is going ahead. Another thing is set standards for yourself. Don't lower the bar because it is easy. Raise the bar because it's hard, and that's when victories are made. And another one is document your goals, and document how far you are to them. You can have a journal, you can film, you can track your progress. Every inch forward proves that you're committed. Another thing is commit to identity, not the outcome. Don't say you're trying to recover, just say you are a warrior and you are a fighter. When you commit to the identity, you will do it. But if you say, oh yeah, I want to go and, let's just say, I want to pick up a 50 kg dumbbell, you're not going to be able to do it like straight off the bat. You need to build up to it, maybe like a 5 kg, then a 10, then a 15, and a 20, and then you build yourself back up, or up to the desired weight. Honestly, you are still breathing, you're still here, and that means you have a choice. You can either go forward or go backwards. The average will make excuses, but you're not like that. You are going to commit to yourself and say this to yourself, that you are going to get better. And if you're 100% committed, then there's no worries that you have. Yes, there will be times where, loads of times where you aren't committed, but if that day comes and you don't do anything, take a step back and do it again the next day. And don't chase perfection, because if you chase perfection, you won't do it. You need to chase just your goals. And even if you don't, let's say you do an exercise and you only do 5 and you're supposed to do 15, that is still progress. You did 5 more than you were going to do, but because you're unstoppable and you're committed, then I'll have no worries that you will get to your recovery stage. But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.